Okay, Trapper Day out this morning. This is December the 25th, Christmas Day. We're just out running our line, checking a few things. So far we haven't had any luck. Had some rains here. Creek's got down enough now. We're going to try to do something a little bit different. But what I've done, I caught one. If you look back at my videos here around Thanksgiving, you'll see that I caught a big old blonde beaver right here. And right there's my 330. There's a crossover right there. You can see the water running over. They're using it. You can see how bright the bottom is. And then on that side right over there, you can see there's a trap. You can see that brown thing right over there. It's a trap right there. And they're also using a crossover right there. So we got a trap there and one there. And they're not giving any rain for about three more days. So we're going to try to work on this some, see if we can catch a beaver or two out of here. Like I said, we've not had any luck this morning, and we still got some more traps and stuff to check, but we've just not had any luck. So anyway, we're going to get on up through here and check some more traps and see if we've got anything. Until then, well, I hope everybody has a blessed and Merry Christmas. And we'll see y'all out on the trap line. Trapper Day about this morning. This is December 26th. We're out running the trap line, getting a late start. It's about 11:15, something like that. And we had a coyote snare here in the fence. Well, needless to say, it ain't a coyote, it's a coon. Probably my first time ever catching a coon in a snare, but we're going to get him dispatched and took care of. Big old boar coon, and so we'll move on down the trap line. We're actually just taking off. We left the barnyard and stuff like that. So anyway, we'll get out here and let everybody. We'll get out here and let everything, may set a snare back here, we may not, I don't know, but anyway, we're going to get this guy took care of, and we're going to go check some more snares and some water sets. We'll probably be out about 2 or 3 hours. We'll catch y'all later. Okay, Trapper Day, we're about to finish up the trap line. So far, we've got one coon. I set this right here yesterday, a couple of crossovers, and this morning we got us a big old beaver, probably 30 pounds, 35 pounds. See the fresh chew sticks and stuff right there, and they're going on down the creek. We got another 330 right there. But anyway, that's what you got to do, set these crossovers. I'll probably set this back in the morning. May not, just depends on what the weather is like. They're giving some rain here in a couple of days, so we may wait and not set anything else back. But anyway, we're going to try to catch some more beaver or otter here. They're coming up the creek. That's a good crossover, real good crossover. So we'll get this bad boy out of here, and we're just going to leave this 330 or something right there. But if the water stays down here another month or so, we're probably going to catch some otter right here, because this is a good run for them. But anyway, until then, we'll catch y'all later. We got a few more traps to check up through here, so possibility we may have another one, we may not, but we're going to check a few more. You can see a lot of water backed up here. Creek's probably 40 foot wide compared to 20 foot wide. So anyway, we'll catch y'all later. All right, Trapper Day again. We're down about probably straight walk, probably not over 60 or 70 yards, but the way the creek goes, probably about 130 or 40, because it's got a big bend in it. We come down here, and I found this the other day, and just, you probably can't see real well, but beavers are fixing to start breeding, just like raccoons, otters, coyotes, foxes, bobcat, and everything. This is fixing to be here at about the middle of January, or fixing to start, which is about 2 weeks away. What we done here, this is the trap that we just got the beaver out of that I showed you. we come over here and set it there. We put sticks up, and we got some wire and got it tied off right over here on the side there, but that's some brush. But there, this is slick where they're coming up down. We put this little bit of beaver sand out right there, what they call stump kicker. Right here's a castor mound. Right over here is a castor mound. So looks good. We're gonna give it a 2 or 3 nights here. And out in there in the creek, up and through there, there's plenty of fresh chew sticks. Right there lays 2 big old fresh chew sticks. So they're still active. There's more than one. We're going to give it a few nights here. We're going to get on out of here and check about a half a dozen more sets. We're going to call it a day. And we'll catch y'all on the line.